Hey everybody, I'm going to be making beard balm today. Here are the ingredients and utensils I'm using. I'm using a pan and a wire grate. I'm using a measuring cup, in this case it's a jar, a bowl, in this case it's a glass dish, and then I'm going to be, my recipe is a quarter cup of beeswax, a quarter cup of shea butter, a quarter cup of coconut oil, and then I'm going to be using 40 drops of cedarwood oil, 25 drops of patchouly oil, and 25 drops of peppermint oil. So first I'm just going to start by putting some water in the pan. I'm going to put water up past where the grate, the top of the grate. Now I'm going to turn the heat on high, and what we're going to do is just let that heat up while I scoop out my measurements. Putting our last ingredient in here, we got it. I've doubled my recipe. The recipe is a quarter cup, 40 drops of cedarwood oil, 25 and 25, but I'm doubling that, so I did a half, half, and half. I see my water is starting to steam. Now I'm going to put my ingredients on the stove in the water. What we're doing is we're heating up the ingredients without overheating them with direct heat on the stove. So we'll just let this sit and do its thing. And we don't have to do this too fast. So even though it's at a nice high bubble, it's only about half heat right now. I don't have it on high. You don't have to be impatient with it. Just let it do its thing. Just let it melt and mix. As soon as it's melted, I'm going to start putting the drops of oil in, which is right now, so let's do it. Alright, so I'll start out with my cedarwood drops. Now my recipe says 40, but I've doubled this, so I'm going to do 80. So go ahead and count those out. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so our last step is to pour our balm into containers. So I'll grab the balm. It's kind of the container's cooled down now, enough for me to grab it, and we'll just go ahead and pour it straight into our special beard balm containers. All right, so we are all ready. It is firmed up, and you can see when we get ourselves a little dollop of it, it is like a balm. It's thick, but when you put it on your hands with the heat of your hands, it turns into melted oil. There we go. So we got on our hands, we just put it in our beard like this. We can brush it in. Keep your beard nice and supple, soft, smooth. And since you know what the ingredients are in here, you know that they're all safe for you, nothing weird. You can use it as a hand balm as well. I do. If I got some left when I'm all done, I put it in my hair. I can brush my hair, get my knuckles, sometimes they get dry, and it's all good. Thanks for watching.